How do we do that? Now, the trick here is that we need to be inside of this arch. We kind of need to go back a little bit. So what you do, you pull your hook back a little backwards like that into this arch. You make one single crochet, then you two chains, okay, 2 chains, and you need one more double crochet into the same arch, 1 and 2, like that. Done. Now you've got 1, 2, 3 here, and you also need to do 1, 2, 3. Here's the most difficult part because you need to find this hole where to make 1. You see, it's not that visible as the next one because this is the chain, not this double crochet. But be sure to find the hole and pull it like this. Insert the hook and make 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Now we're close to the next arch. Into this arch, what do? We make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, like that. You pull a little bit, you chain 2, 1 and 2, and you need to make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, like that. So into the arch, 1, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2. Then we've got these 3 double crochets of the previous row, and you find where to insert your hook. 1, 2, and 3. You are. This is the next arch, and again you do 2 by 2, 2 double crochets, like that, 2, then chain 2, 1 and 2, and 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, like that. Now let's check what do we have on one side. So we had 3, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the second row, every side you need to have 7 double crochets. Now we already have 2. We make 1, 2, and 3, like that. Next arch, 2 by 2, 2, chain 2, and 2 again, like that. Done. We're almost done here. Now 1, 2, 3, find the place where you insert the hook for number 1. It's usually covered by the 2 in the arch. 1, 2 and 3. That's it. And now the last arch number 4. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 2 more, right? To make it 7. Like that. We chain 2. And let's check. Do we have 7 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do. So we are ready to join. We find 1, 2. This is where we join. At the top of this simulation of double crochet, which was single crochet plus 2 chains, right? So chain number 1, and we insert the hook into chain number 2 with a slip stitch. Let's see what we got. Like this, we have a square. Look, this is the square. So we started with 3 double crochets at every side. Now we have 7. Why? Because we had increases in every corner. We had increases 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. Then the 3, and again 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, and so on. And we end up with a square like that. But it seems like it's too small. Let's make one more row.